I had a lot going in my life. I had a lot of personal stuff I was going through and just wanted to use exercise, I guess, as part of a way of getting through that and giving myself some new challenges. So yeah, I thought I'd do some personal training. And I'd also started some other exercise, yoga and pole dancing for fitness, so it was just finding something to complement all of that. So I gave Sky a call and she came and chatted to me at home to see if we kind of had the right fit personality-wise and if Sky's Fitness could offer the right services for me. And yeah, it worked, so we started. So one of the main reasons for starting personal training was to help me with my pole dancing for fitness, particularly improving my upper body strength, but also I had the goal of improving my running, and I really wanted to do Run for the Kids in, I think, March last year. So I went from running 0 kilometres to 15 kilometres in about 6 months. So yeah, I achieved my goal of doing my first Run for the Kids, so it was awesome.